In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to obtain the mean and standard deviation on two variables using the frequencies procedure in SPSS. And notice here we have the variable exam score and GPA. And on these two variables, we have 6 people that have a value on each. So for example, the first person has a score of 85 on the exam and a GPA of 3.23. To obtain the mean and standard deviation in SPSS using the frequencies procedure, we want to go ahead and select Analyze on the menu bar, and then Descriptive Statistics, and then go ahead and select the first option there, Frequencies. Okay, now we're going to move these two variables to the variables box. So with exam score selected, click the right arrow button, and then select GPA, and move GPA over as well by clicking the right arrow button. Next, we want to go to Statistics, so click on this button here. And then notice by default nothing is selected. Under Central Tendency, we'll select Mean, and under Dispersion, we'll select Standard Deviation. After that, click Continue. And then prior to running the analysis, let's go ahead and click on this check mark here, Display Frequency Tables, to deselect or uncheck this. Okay, then go ahead and click OK. SPSS runs and presents the results in the Output or Viewer window. Okay, and notice here we have the frequencies table, and our statistics are here. We have exam score in the first column and GPA in the second column. Okay, notice we have 6 values for each of these variables that are valid. That means they actually had values, and 0 that are missing, which indicates that we actually had values for every single person. There were no missing values at all. Okay, so for exam score, notice the mean, rounding to 2 decimal places, is 83.33, and the standard deviation is 8.76. For GPA, the mean is 2.95, and the standard deviation is 0.42, rounding once again to 2 decimal places. This concludes the tutorial on obtaining the mean and standard deviation in SPSS using the frequencies procedure.